Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start inside the Chrome app, but first make sure your iPhone is reasonably current. Older iOS can behave differently. Open Chrome, then tap the three dots at the bottom right to find settings quickly. Once done, scroll to find Privacy and Security or Site Settings. This is where the JavaScript toggle lives. If you prefer system navigation, exit to the iPhone Settings app and scroll to Chrome to access the same site preferences. Now move to the detailed control. You're in the right place, Site Settings. Tap Site Settings, then find JavaScript, sometimes nested under Content Settings. Make sure to expand any collapsed sections. Tap the JavaScript toggle so it reads on. That enables scripts for all sites. If you need finer control, use the per site list below. Add a domain and set allow or block, which is safer for sensitive pages. Make sure to exit Settings and return to the website to see whether dynamic content loads properly. After enabling JavaScript, reload the page to confirm interactive elements appear. You may need to tap refresh twice. If things remain broken, clear site data for that domain in Settings to remove cached blocked content, then reload. Once done, restart Chrome or reboot the iPhone to ensure changes take full effect. If you still see problems, check content blockers, Safari restrictions, or an active VPN or proxy. These can interfere. One key tip: verify the site isn't blocked by per site rules before changing global settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.